Keep in mind that not everyone will be able to file their taxes for free. It really depends on certain conditions. For example, if you choose to use help from an expert or purchase TurboTax products, there may be fees involved. However, if you meet the eligibility requirements, you can file both your federal and state taxes completely for free. Now let's go through the first method. On this screen, I'm currently on the 2025 Taxes info page. What you need to do is go to the bottom left of your screen and click on the Switch Product button. After that, click on the Downgrade option. This will take you to another page where you should select Downgrade to Basic. Then click Continue and proceed to fill out your tax sections normally. Now let's look at the second method. Again, click on the Switch Product button at the bottom left of your screen. This time, select Clear and Start Over. Click Yes to confirm, then tap Continue. After that, click Got It. At this point, pay close attention to the checklist screen. You need to uncheck all the boxes if they are selected. This is important because it prevents TurboTax from automatically adding paid products or upgrades. Even after unchecking everything, you can still continue entering your information normally to file your taxes. And that's it. You now know how to adjust your TurboTax settings so you can file your taxes for free if you qualify. If you follow these steps carefully, you can avoid unnecessary charges and complete your filing smoothly.